Hey folks, Kelly from All True Solution, Kel Bob as you might know me. I'm here at the 2018 Bixie Conference in San Antonio and I'm test driving the Lime scooter. Earlier I test drove the Bird scooter, but in full disclosure and checking out the competition here, I downloaded the app. It's real simple to do. You just open the app and put your credit card in. You scan the barcode and that unlocks the unit. It costs $1 to unlock it, and then it's 15 cents a minute after that. It's 5 till 11 and I'm trying to get back to my hotel to check out by 11. It's a 15-minute walk and a $6.71 Uber ride. I think I might have found a way to beat the system. So you just kick start it and then start accelerating, and these things will go pretty quickly. Check out my Bixie credentials. 20-year Bixie member. Pretty proud of that. Guess how long that took? 20 years. But it's been a great show. I've learned a lot. I'm meeting a lot of great people, and I'm really having fun. I love this concept. Have fun and get where you need to go. Again, Kelly from All True Solution, 2018 Bixie show. Check us out. We're having a blast.